I have some friends coming over and I decided to make a cake for them. I put the cake mixture in the oven and it needs to be baked for another half an hour. By 8 p.m. it will have baked. It will have baked. In this video, I'm going to talk about another structure we use for the future perfect tense. Hi, my name is Maryam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about the structure. We use the subject plus will have and the past participle of the verb. Let's give you some more examples. By September this year, I will have moved to a new house. I will have moved to a new house. I will have learned a new language. I will have learned a new language. And I will have lost a lot of weight. I will have lost a lot of weight. This is what I've certainly decided to do. What about you? It's your turn to practice. What do you think you will have done by the end of 2026? Or where do you think you will have lived? Please write your answers in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.